everybody, and welcome to my channel. Yes, you guys, I went to CVS today. You know what? I actually am pretty good. I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. Everything went out smoothly. Everything turned out awesome. But yeah, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Now, I thought it was going to be a moneymaker, but you know what? I spent, technically this whole haul came to less than $1 for everything, so I am pretty excited. I actually got in pretty fast and I got out pretty fast. Like I left the store at 11:10 this morning. I says, "Are you serious? It's not noon?" She's like, "Yeah," and I'm like, I'm not used to this. I'm always used to being at the store for like an hour and a half, but I think I was there for like 45 minutes. So I'm getting there. So the first deal we got is the Kotex pads or whatever. These were $1.89. They're currently buy one get one 50% off. You would pay $2.83 for this, but then you guys will get a $2 extra care buck, making them just 83 cents. So 83 cents for some liners are a pretty great deal. I didn't get any CRTs, hardly to use that. One thing I've been really wanting lately and I have not gotten is lotion CRTs. There's been so many lotion deals that I've been wanting to do, but I haven't been getting any CRTs for lotion, and you know what? That's okay. I'm okay with it, but it's just like, what? Like, really? I wanted to do the gold bond deal, but my store didn't have the gold bond that I wanted to get, so I didn't even bother because it was just like, nah. So I ended up getting the Oral-B toothbrushes. These were $5.79. You guys want to use a $2 off digital coupon that we had. You would pay $3.79, but then you get a $3 extra care buck, and you guys can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1. So this comes out to be a 21-cent moneymaker. We got 2 toothbrushes for free, plus we made some money. I will have a printable breakdown for you guys. I think I'm just going to kind of start doing that for a while, just because, until I get more of a groove. But yes, Ludens. I love Ludens. I love Ludens more than Halls. But these are $2.49. They were buy one, get one 50% off. We did get some 75% off of 2 coupons in today's inserts, or there are printables if you guys want to get printables from the Ludens website itself. You guys would pay $2.98 for this, but then you get a $3 extra care buck, making it free, or a 2-cent moneymaker. So yes, I love Ludens, except I haven't had a cold like for a long time. I got the Covergirl Mascara. Now I was gonna do both Covergirl deals, and I'm glad I looked before I started doing all the crap, or the math crap is what I call it. They're both the same. Like, there's always like a lot number or kind of whatever in the ad. If they're the same number, that means it's the same deal and you can't do it more than once. So just giving you guys a heads up, but it's either or. But I ended up doing the Covergirl mascara because I like the mascara a whole lot better than anything else. But these were 2 for $14. You want to use 2 $3 off coupons that we got from coupons.com that are actually the high value better ones, or you guys can use the inserts that we got today. I did have a 3 off of 15, which I was going to use towards the other one, but then I said I realized that you can only use one or the other. I feel like there's something in my eye right here. It's like bothering me. But you would pay $8, but then you get a $7 extra care buck, making these 50 cents a piece, $1 for 4 of them, or for both of them. Great deal. I love mascara. I used to actually wear the Lash Blast. I change it up a little bit. I still have my L'Oreal that I got from last week or the week before. I like this stuff right now, so you guys, I wasn't even planning on doing this deal. I was looking through the ad. I could not find this deal anywhere in the ad. So I ended up going to the website and looking for this product, and there was an extra care buck involved in this. So I had 2 $6 off L'Oreal Age Perfect CRTs, okay? I'm like, I cannot pass up 2 $6 Age Perfect CRTs. So I kind of looked it up, and it said if you spend $25, you get $5. So not the greatest for this ECB or extra care bucks, but I also had a 5 off of 22 face cleanser. And there was a $2 off digital coupon for this. So this was $2 or $26.49. I used that $2 off digital coupon, a $6, and a 5 off of 22 CRT. You paid $7.49 for this, but then you get a $5 extra care buck, making this $2.49, which is a great price for me to pay. I've been using this. I've actually been using this. I like this stuff. I just kind of been switching between the Garnier, the L'Oreal, and the Olay, but I really like that. So that goes in my own personal profile. Now, the Neutrogena. I did scan one of the eyeliners and it did not match. So make sure if you guys are buying the Neutrogena for Ibotta, make sure you scan it to see what product will work, because the one I did scan did not work even though it was right in the same spot. So the L'Oreal eyeliners are $10.79. I used a $2 off printable coupon and a $2.50 printable coupon and a $2.50 digital coupon. I had a 5 off of 2 Neutrogena CRT and a $3 off CRT. But you guys would pay $8.58 for both of these. You'll get $6 back in an extra care buck. And you guys can submit $3 and $3 with Ibotta, making it a $3.42 moneymaker. You guys get these absolutely free. Love it, love it. And I haven't ever used this eyeliner, so I'm pretty excited to try it out. I ended up getting the Paparazzi. The Paparazzi, it's always 2 for $10 or 2 for $5. You guys would pay $5 for this. Every time I have a CRT, I never have it when they're on sale. I always have it when they're not on sale. But anyways, you guys would pay $5 for this, and you get $4 in an extra care buck, making them just $1 a piece. The colors I got is the Fuchsia Is Now and Enchanted Party. So pretty, 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 pretty. I ended up doing the Hallmark deal again, you guys. Like, I'm gonna keep saving these and saving them and saving them. I got probably like 20 something now, because when the kids go to school or something and I need some kind of bags or anything, I mean, these are super easy just to pack away. I should just start getting the red ones, because then I can use those as Christmas wrapping presents. But anyways, I got 6 of these for 49 cents. And then I ended up getting the little string thing. This was $1.29. Now this ended up being a cheaper deal doing this way than the other deal. I know it's kind of weird, but the way my math was, it was end up being cheaper. So is Charlotte up?
Yeah.
I bought 6 of these at 49 cents, and I bought one of these at $1.29. I used a 4 off of 6 Hallmark CRT, so these came out to be just 23 cents for all 7 items. I was gonna get 2 of these and then like 4 bags, but it ended up being cheaper buying 6 bags and this little string. So that is going in my pile. I have them like all piled up right here, and there goes my glitter. Okay, now this is an easy deal. I was so excited to do this deal last night, you guys. I saw this deal, and then I searched for my printable coupons from coupons.com. So anytime you guys see some really good, like, you know, Dove, any of that stuff, you need to print them off, especially when they have a long time before they expire, because this is an awesome deal. Dove body wash, the men's, were 2 for $15. I had 2 printable coupons.com printable coupons that are no longer available to print. They were available maybe like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So I used 2 $2 off coupons. I had a 3 off of 12 Dove CRT. I had a $3 off CRT, and I had a 3 off of 2 CRT for Dove. I paid $2 for both of these, $1 a piece, you guys. But with Ibotta, you can submit a $2 rebate and a $2 rebate with Ibotta. So these both became a $2 moneymaker. I got these absolutely free, so I was pretty excited about that. So my haul, pretty simple. I mean, I only had 2 small bags. I'm like, this feels so weird, but I was pretty happy. I was thinking of possibly doing the Pantene, and I'm like, no, I didn't want to do it. So that's okay. My total came to $2.88. I did use $39 worth of extra care bucks, but I did receive $30 back. And I did receive $11 with Ibotta. I ended up getting 3 rebates, which was awesome. I also should be, I'm not sure if the men's body wash is included in beauty, but if I didn't factor that in, I factored everything else in, I'll probably get $6 worth of extra beauty bucks. Funny story is, 2 weeks ago or last week, I got $12 of beauty dollars or whatever. $12. That's a lot in one day. That was crazy, but just wanted to share with you guys on that. But my grand total after you guys add and take away all that stuff is 88 cents. I got 21 items for 88 cents. That's just 4 cents a piece, and I think that is a great deal. I love it when I can get stuff cheap, but you know what? The thing is, we all have it in our head that we gotta get it for free. We gotta get it for free, and then I feel disappointed that I don't get it for free. But if you guys think about it, if you can get if you guys can get over $100 worth of stuff for under $10, that is a great deal. Like, we gotta get it in our head, and I know a lot of you guys are the same way. We have to have it free. We have to have it free. It's not good enough unless it's free. But here's the thing. I saved $111 with my savings today, and I got 97% savings. That is awesome. That is awesome. So, I mean, and I know a lot of you guys are like, yeah, exactly. So, as long as we can save money, not get everything for free, but if we can save money and get like our whole haul for under 10 bucks, even $5, that is great. I consider that being accomplished. I don't even know what else I was going to say. But anyways, I will see you guys next week. Hopefully we got some good deals coming. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Check out the printable breakdowns for you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye!